So make sure you're running those lines properly. Hi, my name is Chris Rock. You're welcome to Build Smart Africa, your number one place for anything construction, any knowledge you need in construction. Yes, I'm a trained professional. I'm a trained quantity surveyor. I'm a trained building engineer and have my master's degree in construction management.
I can help you with tips on construction. Yes, building tips. I can help you save costs, give you cost saving tips. Yes, as your construction project is going. Yes, so you need to be aware as to what's happening on that your project site. Maybe you are in the diaspora, or maybe you are not at the place where your construction project is going on, or you are there but you don't know what's going on. With my videos and the questions you can ask me any question. I'll give you expository answers. Yes, so I'll be telling you. Let's say, for instance, you are not on site and they are telling you they want to cast, a slab, okay, a decking of XYZ bag of cement. How will you know when you are not there? Or when you are there but you don't know if maybe they use the cement or they don't use it? 1, 2, 3 calculation, you are done with your phone. I'll give you tips. Wherever you are, you can monitor your construction project.
Yes, so this time you put it. Say I saw wage Akasako, and that's good. Nice. Okay, good. We'll chat something under. Yes, so I can take you on real tour. So click subscribe. Yes, and join my community where every week I give you knowledge on construction activities. It will help you to be able to know what's going on your site. Even though you are not trained in construction, you can be very aware. I'll give you knowledge hack. I'll give you a lot of information. Yes, so thank you.